I just want to say I'm sorry.
Hold up, I got a confession.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naya. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. In today's video, I have a hair review for you guys on a hair that I'm currently wearing. I got this hair from a company called AliExpress. AliExpress is an AliExpress vendor. I ordered their Brazilian straight hair. I got 3 bundles and a frontal. I ordered 2 bundles of 20-inch and 1 bundle of 18-inch and a 16-inch frontal. I ordered this hair, I want to say like a month ago, and the reason why I'm coming to you guys kind of late with this review is because I really wanted to give you guys my honest opinion on this hair. I wanted to wear the hair so I can see the longevity of it, the maintenance of it, and pretty much the overall quality of it. So basically in this video, I'm just going to be naming pros and cons. I'm going to start with a pro and then follow up with a con. And if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my list because I got everything wrote down. But one of the pros is that this hair is true to length. Actually, when I got the hair, I measured it, and the hair was actually longer than what the tag actually said. Like my 18-inch was really like a 20-inch, and then my 20-inch was like a 21 to 22-inch, and then my frontal was exactly at 16 inches. One of the cons is that this hair kind of had like a smell to it. Now, I don't want to say it smelled like a chemical smell, but like, because when I say chemical, I kind of think of like 409 and bleach, stuff like that, and it definitely wasn't anything like that, but it kind of just had like a processed smell to it. And I got this hair in the color natural, so I'm guessing it's unprocessed, and I'm gonna get to why I say unprocessed in a minute. But it just kind of had like not a loud smell, but it's definitely a smell that annoyed me because like my hair is like right here on my body, and I heard a lot of hair companies kind of have this problem too, like the hair just has this unpleasant smell to it. And I will say, when I got the hair wet, when I got this hair wet, the smell was like, it got loud. When I washed it, it got loud. But when it dries, it's like it tones down a little bit. And what else? There was something else I wanted to say about the smell of it. Oh yeah, definitely now having it in for like a whole month, like it's definitely toned down a little bit. Like it's like a very, very faint smell, but I can definitely still like, you know, smell a little bit of something left in there. And another pro is that this hair was really, really soft. Like it is soft, but I got it out the pack and I was like running my fingers through. I got no tangles, no kinks, no none of that. Like it was like butter, like really, really soft. Another con is that this hair has some split ends to it, like more than I would think it would have. And I don't know why, but the hair is new, so I'm just like, why is there split ends in this hair? And it's not really an issue, like my ends aren't getting caught or anything. My only concern is like I'm going to have to like trim this hair a lot sooner than I want to. But moving on to another pro, this hair really holds curls. Like I curled my hair, I want to say like 5 days ago, and of course the curls fell and I brushed them out, but this is like the aftermath of it. Like the hair like waved up and has like this really pretty soft curl. I really like that. I think that was a cool little thing about it. It really can hold a curl. Another con is that my closure doesn't really fit. Now, I don't know if it's because of my head shape or the company or whatever, but my closure stops like way back here, and I thought that was kind of weird. I was like, is my head too small for it, or is it just something with this company? But I definitely had to modify it. Like when I first got it, my closure would like come over my ear a little bit. So my ear, I would try to tuck it behind my ear, and my ear would be like bent forward, and that looked really weird. So I had to trim it, shape it, and even now it still doesn't fit how I exactly want it to fit. Like I always find myself having to like pull it down. But like I said, I don't know if it's my head shape or the company. Another pro is that the hair has minimal tangles. Like when I first made the wig, I would say like in the back section, before I put any product on it, in the back section it was getting kind of caught. But then I started putting this little product right here, the olive oil ORS, the heat protective serum. Y'all, when I tell you I swear by this product, I swear by it. Like as soon as I put this on my hair, any problem that I was having went right away. Like I could run my fingers through, like I am now, I could just run my fingers through it. It doesn't tangle, and I used a good little bit of this. Like this thing was like full when I started using it. I used like this much, really heavy handed with it. And I liked how like it adds shine and gloss to the hair, and it doesn't feel oily. Like it's oil free, I believe. But yeah, this is definitely a good product to have to put on your hair. Another con is that this hair kind of sheds. Now it could be simply because of me cutting my wefts when I made this wig, but it definitely does shed. Like if I run my fingers through it, I'm going to get some hair. Now definitely when I'm combing and brushing out the hair, I can definitely see like shedding. Now it's not like I'm walking around my hair is just shedding all over the place. It's really when I like manipulate the hair, comb it, brush it, stuff like that. Another pro is that this hair is really thick. Like I used all 3 bundles when I made this wig, but this hair is thick, and which was kind of a shocker because, you know, the longer you go with the bundles, of course they get skimpier, but not with this company. This company really hit the mark with that. Like it's really, really thick, like thick to the point where I get hot, but I love thick hair. So yeah. Another con is that, like most hair companies, I don't know why it's like this or why they do this, they have like those colorful strands, like the white strands, the red strands, blonde pieces or whatever. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. Like if I see them, I'll just pop them out, but like why is there white strands, red strands in my hair? Another pro is that this shipped on time. On the website it said that the hair would be here in like 5 days. Mine came 6 days, but I'm thinking they calculated like the weekend in that or some type of way or something like that. But definitely came pretty quick, judging from the fact that it came from like China or Asia, wherever it came from. Thought that was pretty cool. Another con is that, well, the last con is that, well, it's not really a con. The hair didn't come pre-plucked. I had to pluck it myself. I had to bleach my knots, and I have to make my own baby hairs. But I feel like that's not really a con, because I feel like there's a lot of YouTube videos showing you how to do that, and it's really easy. Like honestly, it's easy. So I guess that's not really a con, but I guess to like people who's never done that before, that's the con. And my very last pro is the price. I paid like $150 for this, and I feel like for the quality you can't beat that. Like for the length, the quality, and the thickness, $150, like that's nothing. Then I believe AliExpress sent me like a $5 discount too, so that was a bonus. And I would definitely recommend this hair for like anyone. Like I would definitely purchase this hair again, or from the company again. I definitely will. Well, that is it for the pros and cons. I wanted to show you guys the shampoo and conditioner that I've been using. I've been using the Maui Moisture, the agave line. I've been using, come on, focus. I'm recording on my phone right now because my camera is dead, so y'all bear with me. But yeah, the Maui Moisture agave conditioner and shampoo line. I really love this line. I actually use this on my real hair. The reason why, because it's really, really moisturizing. I feel like with like extensions or whatever you want to call it, I feel like moisturizing your hair is really, really important, especially it aids in like the lasting and the longevity of the hair. But another another product that I use is the Aussie Moisture. I really love this. I also use this on my hair as well. I like to use both these conditioners together when I wash the hair. I've only ever washed the hair 3 times. The very first time I used shampoo, and the other 2 times I just co-wash the hair, simply because I feel like shampooing can sometimes dry the hair out and also tangle the hair. Like who wants to detangle 20-inch hair? Like no. What else? Did I mention when you wet the hair that the hair waves up like really, really pretty? Like I feel like it's a 2-in-1 style. Like if you don't want to wear it straight, spray some water on there or wash it or whatever, and the hair waves up. I wish I had a picture, but I don't. When I got the hair came in like just a white plastic bag, and it came, the bundles came in just bags like these. They also gave like a free little gift, a little beauty blender, and then it also came with this little box. I actually lost the little flyer that came inside to it. Oh my gosh, come on. Okay, this. And inside was a flyer basically saying that they'll pay you to like make YouTube videos, to share on Instagram, to share on Facebook, and you can only get up to like $60, I believe. And they'll give you like an instant PayPal or like a rebate or something like that. But yeah, that's what came in there. What else? I think this is like pretty much it for this hair review. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys oh yeah, this is not a sponsored video. I forgot to put that in. This is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. But you know, Allie Grace, if you're watching, you know, you can hit me up. I would love a sponsorship. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video. But if you guys like this review and want to see more reviews like this from me, just let me know. Like hair reviews, makeup reviews, just let me know. And yeah, so comment, like, and subscribe, and see y'all next time.